Yeah, what's up, my people? How far? How una dey? Wetin dey sup? So today update now for people wey dey ask me say, you sure say Bitcoin go fit go back to 100k? Alright, I go tell you things wey you need to know. Before I continue, I still remain your one and only crypto pidgin analyst, the only man wey dey give you informate update of wetin dey sup for the web3 blockchain crypto space and things wey go fit make you money as well. So just like, follow, and comment anything wey you wan know about cryptocurrency for the comment section. I go answer you. Now back to the main topic. For people wey dey ask me, shey Bitcoin go fit go back to 100k or e go fit go back to 69k, because some of them buy for top and their 1 million don turn to 100k, their 500k don turn to 5k. Well, I go let you understand one thing, because my papa no be market mover, right? And I go tell you things wey you need to know. No be me go decide for you, no be me go give you opium, and no be influencer wey go tell you say Bitcoin dey go 100k, you go put your school fees money. No. Now e get things wey we dey call market cycle. This market cycle just be like rainy season and dry season. You get? If you be farmer, during dry season things dey hard, right? To like even your plants wey you plant, no be everything go grow. But during rainy season, na everything wey you plant, e go surely germinate and grow. The same thing dey for crypto market. Na why you get bear market and bull market. You get? During this bull market, everything dey alright. People dey see money chop, people dey see money invest, people dey see money do many things. But during the bear market, a lot of bad things dey happen. Now I go give you instance. Wetin sup for crypto wey make crypto dey down? First, we first witness lunar crash. Yes, lunar crash, followed by exchange, FTX sef crash, and many other exchanges. Those one crash. E no finish for there o. Interest rate sef dey increase. So many things dey affect the market right now. The only thing wey fit make you see Bitcoin for 100k na only when new innovation start to dey enter, and all these innovations dey help human being. People go fit invest, because many things still dey go on for the world wey be say e dey wrong at the moment. How you wan make person wey dey go through war for Ukraine invest? You sef reason am. E no possible. So money never dey flow, inflations dey go on, and many other things wey be say I no fit like to dey talk about everything, but make sure say you dey do your research. And if you wan invest for crypto, no put your school fees money, no borrow money, no use money, no borrow money trade, no borrow money to invest, or else bro, you go sleep kirikiri. You get? So I still remain your one and only crypto pidgin analyst. Follow, like, comment.